Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, if you've recently upgraded your home theater setup, it's completely possible that it no longer fits in your entertainment center. Well, what do? Don't worry, we've done a ton of research on some of the best entertainment centers out there, and today we're going to be providing a list of some of our favorites. We're also going to be breaking down some of the features and benefits of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there if you're interested. And if I do happen to find any deals or discounts on any of these as well, I'll also put those in the description for you as well. Up first, we have the best overall TV stand, and that's going to be the Convenience Concepts Designed to Go TV stand. This TV stand is affordable, and it is a space saver at only 35.5 inches by 15.75 inches by 20.5 inches. It's made of particle board and is covered by a beautiful espresso wood grain laminate. It also has stainless steel clad poles. This has enough space to house a flat screen up to 36 inches and 80 pounds. It also has pre-cut holes in the cabinet to run your cables, which is a nice feature. At number 2, we have the best bang for your buck, which is going to be the Furinno Turn and Tube Entertainment Center. This is a great option for rooms that don't have a ton of space. It's available in multiple color options, and it has a simple design meant to accommodate space and budget. What's really great here is it's a green label product, which means it's made of recycled PVC tubes, and also medium density composite wood. It's meant to hold a TV up to 25 inches, and with its open display, it's sure to give your electronics the airflow they need. It's also small at only 41.5 inches by 11.6 inches by 22.85 inches. This is a great option for apartments or dorm rooms. Also, you won't need any tools to assemble this one, which is also a great feature. Next up, we have the best tall option, and that's going to be the Bush Furniture Visions Tall Corner TV Stand. This TV stand is 31 inches tall. It gives you lots of vertical storage, and you can even tuck it into a small corner. Now, this is great because the extra height does put the television viewing angle closer to your natural eye line. You can fit flat screens up to 37 inches on this one and weighing up to 64 pounds. It also does feature beautiful tempered glass doors, and that's going to really help protect everything in your cabinet from dust. It also has an open back to easily tuck away cords and wires. Next up, we have the best floating entertainment center, and that's going to be the Wali floating wall-mounted shelf. Now, this is a very customizable option. It can be detached and reconstructed into a 1 or 2 shelf system instead. The shelves are fairly large, measuring in at 15 inches by 11 inches, and they are made of tempered glass, aluminum, and steel, so you know they're going to be nice and sturdy. They're able to hold up to 17.6 pounds each. Just a note here that this one doesn't actually come with a place to hold your TV. It's actually more so for TVs that have been wall mounted, and these open shelves are great for the electronics that you generally put underneath your TV. It's going to provide lots of airflow and a sturdy, secure platform to place them on. Next up, we have the best swivel option, and that's going to be the Hemudu Universal Floor TV Stand. Now, this is a great option if you require a particular angle for watching TV. It has a 100-degree swivel mount, 25-degree tilt function to expand your viewing angles, and 8 height adjustments. This is definitely a very customizable option that adjusts based on your needs. It has a great weight capacity also at 99 pounds, and it will fit most televisions from 19 up to 42 inches. In terms of material, it's supported by a 10mm solid tempered glass base and a solid steel pillar for stability. It also has a great modern look, and it's going to be a welcome addition into any home. Next up, we have the best with a fireplace, and that's going to be the Walker Edison Modern Wood Fireplace Stand. This truly adds a timeless and homey design to your living area. It comes in a variety of cozy color options. It also has great cable management at the back with adjustable shelves that really give this entertainment center a clean aesthetic. It measures 60 inches by 15.75 inches by 27.5 inches, and the entertainment unit supports TVs up to 65 inches and 250 pounds. Also, as you probably noticed, it does have an 18-inch electric fireplace that plugs into a standard outlet. This is made with faux wood, and it has LED flames and heat that are controlled by 2 different switches on the front of the unit. Next up, we have the best option for small spaces, and that's going to be the Ameriwood Home Elevation TV Stand. This TV stand has a simple, sleek design that will fit into nearly any room. And it also pairs well with any room decor. It has 3 different size shelves for your components, and it really gives the appearance of everything floating. In terms of material, it's made with a metal frame, it has hollow core shelves, and a versatile black finish. This mounts directly into the studs of your wall, and it can support televisions up to 60 inches or 175 pounds. Also, it has this fantastic snap-on back panel, which is great to hide wires. Next up, we have the best option for storage, and that's going to be the Yates Entertainment Center. This entertainment center is a wall unit made of a manufactured wood frame and vintage white finish. It's spacious and measures in at 84.5 inches by 108.5 inches by 16.75 inches, giving you 5 cabinets, a pair of side bookshelves, space for a soundbar, and additional space above for the TV. This can accommodate a television up to 65 inches, as well as the digital boxes and consoles easily accessed through glass cabinet doors. So if you're somebody that's really looking for a lot of space to store your things underneath, this is a great option. Next up, we have the best for gaming, and that's going to be the Atlantic Centipede Game Storage TV Stand. This was definitely created with gamers in mind. It offers a great way to keep all of your gaming gear organized. It'll support televisions up to 37 inches and a maximum of 80 pounds. It also has space capable of holding 3 gaming consoles, 4 controllers, 12 games, and headphones. It measures 33.75 inches by 19.75 inches by 29.38 inches. This is a great way to organize all of your game setup, and it's also compact and stylish to fit in nearly any space. Anyway guys, that's a look at some of the best entertainment centers available. Hopefully if you're looking to upgrade your home theater setup, this video was helpful for you. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I will leave links to all of these products in the description below so you can check them out there, along with any deals or discounts that I may find. Also, if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today, stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.